Say man, hey man, we are doing calisthenics today, and this calisthenic workout was something that I tried as a beginner in calisthenics, okay? I'm doing 10 squats, 10 pull-ups, 10 burpees, 10 push-ups, 10 knee raises, and 10 dips. And then I will rest for 1 minute and I will complete that circuit again, okay? So we are doing 2 circuits of this exercise that I just called out, okay? And like I said, man, I was on the calisthenics journey. I did it for about a week, but I was like, man, I need to lift some weights. I'm not putting calisthenics down, but I may get back to it, okay? But I just had to have some weights in my life, okay? Nothing is wrong with calisthenics. I'm not saying the people that do calisthenics are not strong, but I just will incorporate calisthenics in spurts, okay? I may just do it on a weekend or something like that, but as far as doing it every single day, I don't think I would do it every single day, but I will throw it in there because I got a lot of respect for the people that do calisthenics, man. It's not easy at all, okay? They do a lot of reps and a lot of sets, okay? And you can't deny that, man. The people that do calisthenics are ripped up. They shredded to the core, man. And I'm talking about they get it in. I ain't gonna sit up there and lie. Out there in the hot sun, on the pull-up bar, on the dip bar, man, they go crazy out there, man. And I said I was gonna do that myself, but man, I was like, nah, I don't think I'm gonna do it as extreme as the people that I see doing it on the internet, okay? It's not bad at all, but I may get back into it. But like I said, I won't do it on the scale like everybody else do it, okay? I would just do it like a couple days out of a week or something like that, you know, or like on a rest day from the weights. I may go do some calisthenic workout. You never know, you know what I'm saying? But I will be bringing more calisthenic workout. I may go to the park and record some videos on my back days or something like that, you know, do me some pull-ups and push-ups and dips and stuff like that out there in the hot sun, okay? So I can give me some of that vitamin D in my system. But like I said, man, you want to rest 1 minute after this circuit, and this is the second set. As you can see, I didn't want no parts of it, but hey, I went ahead and did it, man, because I don't quit on my workouts, okay? I try to finish all my workouts, and I came up with the workout myself. You know, I went on the internet and found a lot of calisthenic workout, you know, that I can do, which I already knew some, you know what I'm saying? But I just had to put the right combination together so I wouldn't just tire myself out, and it would be something for a beginner, okay? This is not like an advanced style of calisthenics, okay? This is for the beginner, people like myself that are just getting into calisthenics, you know, that are trying to learn the basics of it, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of stuff that come with it, you know what I'm saying? I just thought it was like some old basic pull-up, push-up type stuff every day, you know what I'm saying? But it's way more to it than I expected, okay? And I'm gonna do some more research on it and find some more things that I can do, you know, like handstand and all that stuff. I want to get into all that. I want to get into the muscle ups and all that stuff right there, because the muscle up look like it's kind of complicated to do, but I'm gonna see if I can do it myself. Like I said, I'm gonna go to the park and try to work out like that, man, when I can get some time to get to the park when it's not too hot, because I am in Mississippi, man, and the weather here is crazy in the summertime, okay? You don't want to be out there in the heat in Mississippi, babe, in June, July. Oh no, man, it's too hot. But like I said, this is my second set, man, and it wasn't too bad. You know, I really just try to push myself through it. And like I said, man, I have a lot of respect for the people that do calisthenics, but I will get into it, man. You know what I'm talking about? Make sure you like this video, people. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, watch the video from the cards at the top, watch the video from the description, or you can watch the video on the end screen if I put some videos on the end screen. And I'm out of here like last year, y'all. Ciao!